Hey guys, welcome back to another video of the Mystic Pokemon Bros. I'm Logan.
And I'm Zaylo.
Today, we got ourselves some Total Anime Chainsaw Man mystery packs. Total of 5. We weren't able to get any Pokemon cards because everything's been going hectic. So, let's get up inside some of these mystery packs and see what we can actually get. Chainsaw Man actually is one of my favorite animes.
Same.
And as that past anime con that passed by, we ended up dressing up as them. So let's see what the first box we get.
Ooh. Oh my god!
We actually pull
the
rare Chainsaw Man. Let's open this up and see what. Let's see. Oh my gosh.
No way. First one is crazy. I like how
No way.
I like the details with like the blood on it, like the chainsaw.
Oh, big time. That's awesome, dude. That's so cool.
That's crazy.
Well, that's yours already. You had the
Yep.
Chainsaw Man mask.
Yep.
Now it's my turn. I gotta get myself Mr. Aki. Let's go. Pack number 2. Let's see. Ooh.
Oh, it's messed up.
Yeah. I don't know. I guess I grabbed this one whenever I felt it that it felt. Oh, look, Pochita! How are you gonna go wrong without not having Pochita? Ooh, these things are a little bit hard. Pochita! Look at
Just like
him.
sitting on the log.
It's cute, dude. Look at him. Oh, man. So we got 2 out of the 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Let's see. Can we pull 5 out of the 6?
I kind of want to see the Makimon one.
Yeah, the Makimon will go hard. Even the Power will probably go pretty hard too.
With the sword.
Yeah. Let's see. Pack box number 3.
Oh,
Oh.
Pochita again.
We got another Pochita. So cute. Never, ever go wrong with having multiple Pochitas. Again, as every devil has a problem with Pochita, the Chainsaw Man. Let's see.
See what I get.
And tear it up a bit.
Yeah.
Let's see.
Now what do I get?
Box number
Another
4. We get
Pochita.
another Pochita.
Bruh.
Oh my gosh.
It's hard. Can you open it?
Well, we know we got another Pochita. We can put that one to the side. Alright, let's see.
An Aki.
Last one. Come on, Mr. Aki. Let's go. For me, it's. I went to I dressed up as Aki for the Houston Anime Matsuri last year, and went to the Corpus Christi Anime Con this year as them. So let's see. Final box, and we get.
Ooh.
Ooh.
Oh, power.
Power. Oh, I mean.
I wish we didn't get another Pochita.
I would have been laughing and a little bit upset. But it's not that bad. Look. Look at. Power. Blood art. That's not that bad though. I like them.
Out of all 5, 3 Pochitas, 1 Chainsaw Man, and 1 power.
Yep. That's
It's like a
nice.
little army of Pochita.
We could use them as a chess piece.
Yeah.
Yeah. Alright, guys. Well, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the short little video. See you next time.
Later. And don't forget to like and subscribe.